Why does their English sound so professional when they speak and put together, and my sounds? So many times you hear people speak certain kind of English. When they speak, you are kind of wow. So on today's lesson, I'm going to be telling you that secret, and that secret is phrasal verb. The right and proper use of phrasal verb makes your English look put together. Okay, right into the video. Let's see what phrasal verb does. I'm going to be constructing sentences using phrasal verb versus not using phrasal verb. So you're going to tell me what you think about phrasal verb making English colorful. Let's see how phrasal verb add colors to speaking. Let's go. So the very first one I'm going to be using is get it. Get it or got it, okay? For instance, you want to say, I understand. I understand you, okay? You can say, I got it. I got it. I got it, okay? Break into. It is wrong to break into people's conversation uninvited. It is wrong to break into people's conversation uninvited. Then when you say, it is wrong to join people's conversation uninvited. It is wrong for you to join people's conversation uninvited. Can you spot how the two English sounds? They are both right, but the phrasal verb part makes it sound more colorful. Like it makes it sound more put together, more professional, okay? Let's see another one. Catch up. Catch up. You can say, let's catch up old times this weekend. Let's catch up old times this weekend. Go by. Go by, okay? I go by the name Tina versus my name is Tina. Sounds more interesting to you. The both are correct, but with the advancement of time, I think I go by the name Tina sounds more advanced, okay? Let's see another one. Gave up. Gave up. She never gave up on her child despite his abnormality. She never gave up on her child despite her abnormality. She never gave up on her child despite her abnormality. She never left her child despite his abnormality. She never left her child despite her abnormality. Okay, now another one. Get along. Get along. They both get along so well these days. They both get along so well these days. What is when I say they are having a good relationship these days. They have good relationship these days. Now into it, you often hear me say, let's dive right into it. Let's dive right into it, okay? And you can remove the it and have into alone. You can have I am into content creation, right? Instead of me to say I create content or I'm a content creator, I can say I am into content creation, okay? Now another one we have up to. Instead of you to say what are you doing this weekend, you can say what are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? Okay, instead of you to say what are you doing this weekend, okay, what are you up to for the weekend? What are you up to for the weekend? What are you going to be doing for the weekend? All right, my bad. My bad. Sorry, it's my bad. Sorry, my bad. Okay. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. Sorry, it's my bad. Sorry, my bad. Okay, we have another one like ran out. Ran out. Okay, I can say I ran out of petrol while I was going home. I ran out of petrol while I was going home. Sounds more advanced than when you say my petrol got finished while I was going home, or my petrol finished while I was going home. My petrol finished while I was going home. Okay, we can have another one like turn off. Turn off. Okay, now you can say her attitude alone is a turn off for me. Her attitude alone is a turn off for me. That is when you want to say her attitude is bad, okay? Instead of saying her attitude is very bad, you can say her attitude is a turn off for me, or you can say her attitude is a no for me, okay? Her attitude is a no for me, her attitude is a turn off for me, okay? Another one we have called off. Now you can say he called off the meeting. He called off the engagement. He called off the school inter-house sport. He called off the strike and rest like that. Instead of saying he cancelled the meeting, he cancelled the inter-house sport, he cancelled the strike, okay? So whenever you hear people speak this way, they are actually using phrasal verb. So if you are my student, if you are currently studying English right here in this channel, you must learn how to use phrasal verbs properly to speak right, okay? To speak English that sounds so amazing, right? So let's continue. Another one like didn't add up, didn't add up, didn't add up, okay? You can say her story just didn't add up. That's why I didn't believe her. Her story just didn't add up. That's why I didn't believe her. Instead of saying her story doesn't look like truth to me, it doesn't look truthful to me, that's why I didn't believe her, okay? So you can see how these two are playing. The both of them has a kind of presentation they deliver, okay? They both have the way they sound when you put them together, all right? So if you have to compare the two, what do you think about phrasal verb? Another one you can have bring up, okay? Please bring up a topic. Can you please bring up a topic for discussion? Can you please bring up a topic for discussion? Mr. B, can you please bring up the topic for today's meeting? Can you introduce the topic for discussion? Okay, you can see the two how they sound, okay? Another one we have look forward to. Look forward to. I look forward to meeting him. I look forward to meeting him. I look forward to that day. I look forward to harvest time. I look forward for the payback time. I look forward for the return. I look forward to the proceed, okay? I look forward to the proceed, right? Instead of it to say, I am waiting for this. I am waiting for the proceed. I'll be waiting for the proceed. I'll be waiting for next year. I'll be looking up to, you know. Another one we can have is put in. Put in, okay? I put in a lot of effort, so I deserve a profit, okay? I put in a lot of effort, so I deserve a profit. I have been working hard, so I deserve a profit. I work hard, so I deserve a profit. I work hard, so I deserve a profit. We have another one like look up. Look up. I look up to him for help. I look up to him for help. I believe in him for help. I am hoping in him for help. I believe in him for help. I am hoping in him for help. Now I have another one as get at. Get at. Now, instead of me to ask you, what are you trying to say? I will say, what are you getting at? What are you getting at? What are you getting at? Okay, I have another one, hold out. How long can you hold out without food or water? How long can you hold out without food nor water? Instead of saying, how long can you stay without food nor water? How long can you stay without food or water? So between the two, which do you think sounds more advanced? Another one is down weight. Down weight, okay? You can say, she is down with malaria. She is down with malaria. Instead of saying, she has malaria, she has malaria, you say, she is down with malaria. She is down with malaria, okay? The next one, make up. Make up, okay? She always make up excuses for coming late. She always make up excuses for coming late. or she always creates excuse for coming late, or she always have excuse for coming late. Okay, all these and more are list of phrasal verbs that makes English sounds interesting, makes them sound colorful, makes people speak professionally. Okay, so from today onwards, dear friend, dear student, start making use of phrasal verbs. So in subsequent videos, we're going to be introducing so many of them. The essence of this channel still remains: read right, speak right, and write right. Okay, and this is where we call it short for today's video. I hope you find something interesting today. I hope you learned something beautiful today. And if you're seeing me for the first time, what is stopping you from joining the family? You can actually do that by hitting the subscription button and turning on the notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you for watching. Keep staying safe and bye for now.